The observer effect. At its core, quantum mechanics suggests a terrifying truth. Observation changes reality. Particles don't exist in a single state until they're measured, until we look. Before that, they're in superposition, every possibility at once. Now imagine something is watching us. In 2041, the Argo Array, a deep space telescope designed by an international collaboration of physicists, detected a signal. Not a wave, not radiation, a shadow. A perfect void in the cosmic microwave background, 13.8 billion light-years away. It was as if something had blinked, once, across the entire universe. We called it the blind spot. It was dismissed as a data error. Then Dr. Ling, the cosmologist who first noticed it, ran her own experiments. She created a scaled simulation of the anomaly, using entangled particles in a vacuum. When she stared at the readouts, the system behaved normally. But when left unobserved, the sensors running, the data recording, it behaved wrong. Laws broke. Particles tunneled through space that should have been empty. Vacuum fluctuations appeared with impossible frequency. And worst of all, the entropy was reversing. Like something was watching the simulation when we weren't. Ling theorized a horrifying idea. What if consciousness wasn't just a result of the universe? What if the universe was a result of consciousness? That night, she vanished. Her lab was empty. Her data drive contained one line of code repeating forever. If seen, then real. And then things began to change. First, small shifts, roads no longer where they were, buildings slightly different, people remembering events that didn't happen. Then came the doppelgangers, individuals who looked and acted like people we knew, but weren't. They never blinked, never questioned. Physicists now believe we triggered it by trying to observe the blind spot. We taught something to look back. Now we know. The universe wasn't empty before the Big Bang. It was dormant, waiting for an observer. And once we became aware of it, it became aware of us. The final recordings from the Argo Array show the blind spot is no longer static. It's growing. And the last image it sent down to Earth was this, a perfect mirror. But there was something standing behind us in the reflection, something we hadn't seen until now.